Hi guys, how to upload videos on Instagram from PC or laptop. Want to upload videos on Instagram straight from your PC but can't find the option? What if I told you there's a simple trick to post any video directly from your computer? Stay tuned, because I'll show you how to upload videos on Instagram from PC fast and easy. Now click the top 3 dots, scroll down and click the More Tools. Click the Developer Tools. After that, click the top toggle device toolbar. In PC, cover to mobile. After that, uploading post on Instagram is very easy. You see the down plus icon, click on it and click the post. After that, click the select from computer and select your video from laptop. After that, click the top next and the screen to large and click the next. And this is enter title and description. Then click the top share. And that's it. Your video is now live on Instagram from your PC. No mobile needed, no hassle. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Instagram and tech tips. See you in the next one. Create smarter, not harder.